What's going on, guys? So today I got a really cool video for you guys. We're gonna be testing out the Gallery series from Sherwin Williams. This product has been out approximately 9 months. I haven't had a chance to try it out, and I didn't want to try it out on any of my clients' cabinets because things can go wrong, and I didn't want to do that. So as you see, right now we're prepping some kitchen cabinets. They're stained, they're cypress. The client wants to paint them, but I'm not gonna take the risk and go ahead and use Gallery. So I went ahead, I went to a cabinet shop here locally, and I picked up this cabinet door. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna break it down into three. So I'm gonna put tape and plastic right here and leave this alone. Then I'm gonna do a test sample with the Emerald Urethane, which is what we use typically. And then I'm gonna do the test sample with the Gallery back here. And then in the back, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna do it by hand, rolled and brush, because some clients are in the budget. They don't wanna pay for spray. We still offer brush and roll. So that's pretty much how the idea of the video came out. I'm gonna show you the full process behind the scenes. When we're gonna prime it, we're gonna be using a white pigmented shellac primer from Sherwin Williams. I'm gonna show you the full process, just like we prep some kitchen cabinets, and then I'm gonna show you the final results at the end once we got our sample door finished. And then this is also gonna allow us, whenever we come to kitchen cabinets, whenever we give out estimates, we're gonna bring this door and show them the before, Emerald Urethane finish, and then the Gallery if that's what they wanna do. But yeah, stick around, stay tuned, let's go with it. Here what I'm doing is covering this side of the door, which will be the original look. And I'm using frog tape because some may say it's the best tape with paint block technology, but I'm yet to be sold on that. Anyways, if you don't have a 3M hand masking tool, then you need to get you one ASAP. It'll make your life 10 times easier. Check my Amazon shop down below where you can find every tool painters need. Alright, I have to put you on game because if you haven't tried out this white pigmented shellac primer from Sherwin Williams, hey, you're missing out. I started using it probably about a month ago since I've been using the bin shellac for the last 4 years and loved that product until I tested this one out. It's like that long-lasting relationship you've been having and then you do a little something on the side and you realize you were in the wrong relationship from the get-go and you just found your soulmate. Well, this is what this product feels like now. Dry to the touch in 15 minutes or less and recoat time in 45 minutes. Holds vertical pretty good, stick to jellyfishes if you wanted to, and block stains amazingly. What else can you ask for? Oh, and it's cheaper than the bin. Give it a try, trust me. If you're just starting out your painting business adventure and you're looking for a budget-friendly sprayer, I can't recommend you this Graco 390 sprayer enough. This was my first paint sprayer back in 2020 and still fighting the battle like a beast. It's only $1,100 on Amazon, which I have the link down below for you. And I used to use this for everything. Now I have it mainly for primers, since I have a Graco 395 with a hopper attachment for finishes, a Graco 695 for big projects, and the Graco Quick Shot for small projects. Yes, I can say I'm a big Graco fan because their products are just amazing. When spraying cabinets, people ask me all the time what tip do I use. My favorite is the 308 FFLLP, which stands for Fine Finish Low Pressure from Graco, or the green tip. The first number in this case, the 3, you multiply times 2, and that's your fan spread in inches, so 6 inches. And the second number in this case, 08, means how much paint it shoots. The lower the number, the less paint you get. For cabinets, I like to stay between an 08 and a 10. So a 308 green tip or a 310 max. After you prime, then sand with 220 grit sandpaper to smooth out the primer coat and respray your second coat of primer. Here I was sanding with the sandpaper alone because I'm a savage. Oh, and this primer shoots a lot of overspray dust. Don't be alarmed, it's normal, so make sure you have a vacuum handy. When I spray, I like to hit the edges first and then spray one side and cross it the other way for a nice thick coat, my bad. It gives you a nice and full coat. See how I was telling you earlier about the Graco Quick Shot, which is perfect for small projects like this? Imagine pulling out a big sprayer and worry about extension cords, 50 feet of hose. None of that with this. And since this Gallery product won't touch up with a brush or a roller, having a Quick Shot like this to pull out and spray paint in 2 minutes is definitely a blessing. You need to buy one mainly for the convenience. So first impressions of the paint itself after spraying is that it doesn't hand too well on verticals. On the side panels, it started to sag a little bit, even though I let my doors dry horizontally, so I can only imagine what would happen when spraying side panels. But when it comes to drying time, 10 times better than the Emerald line. In about 15 to 20 minutes, it's dry to the touch and you can sand and recoat in 45 minutes. Dries really good and sands like butter. Just because of that, I would say it's definitely worth it over the Emerald, no matter the price difference. Since I take 2 days to spray Emerald on both sides, and with this, I can get it done in just a couple of hours. So far, so good. Alright guys, so final thoughts about the Gallery series from Sherwin Williams. I like it. It's not perfect by any means, but compared to the Emerald Urethane, which was their best cabinet paint until now, it's definitely an improvement. But make sure to watch this video next to watch how we update stained kitchen cabinets step by step. God bless you.